Hey guys, we're going to check out our new tool sets. We're going to be looking and working with our really cool flashlights today. We're going to also check out our drill, our super awesome electric drill that actually works. Let's check it out. So let's start with our really cool saw. What does a saw do? What does a saw do? Oh yeah, that's right. Saws will cut into wood. You put it into the wood like this. It cuts a hole in the side of the wood. You can cut right through wood with a saw. Saws are super handy if you want to make sure that you can cut through the wood. What else? What other kind of saws do we have? That's a wood saw. This is a miter saw. It does the same type of thing. It can cut through wood too, but this one also cuts through metal. Did you know that? Metal has a special saw, and this is the kind of saw that cuts through metal. That's pretty cool. Now let's take a look at our Phillips screwdriver. Why do they call it a Phillips? Well, there's 4 sides to a Phillips. You see that? Look. There's 4 sides to it, because when you've got a screw that has a Phillips head, this has to fit inside there. And then you turn it around and around. Let's take a look and see how this works. So let's say you got your wood, right? And you drilled your hole and you want to put the screw in there. How do we do that? We take our Phillips, put it inside the screw, and we turn it around and watch. Watch on the other side. Over here. Watch on this side right here. You ready? Coming through on the other side. See it? There it is. And then when you want to take it out, you turn it the other way. And it comes right out of the wood. And that's what a Phillips screwdriver is called. That's what a Phillips can do. Is to take the screw out of the wood. Now, let's say you wanted to use a hammer. So what could we use a hammer with? What we use with hammer? You guys know? Do you know what goes with a hammer? It's not a screw. Do you know what it is? I think I have one. Yep, that's right, a nail. And if part of our toy set, we're going to use this nail, which is a little different than a normal nail, but since this is a toy set, we could use this one. And then we just hammer it, and that goes through the other side, just like the screw does. That's pretty cool. And let's see, what else do we have? We've got 2 different types of hammers, and 2 different sizes. Which one of these do you think is the smallest? Is it this one or this one? Which hammer is the smallest of these 2? That's right, it's the one on the bottom. And it's also shorter. The taller one is this one. Taller, shorter. Large, small, small and large. And let's see, we're going to do another video. We're going to take all of these away, and we're going to put some new ones down, some new tools, and we're going to talk about those. So you got to check out my next video, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, you got to hit that little subscribe button down there, and you can catch all of our new videos. See you next time on our other channel.